Welcome to SafeSlide University. My name is Dale Cooper, and this is part of our basic repair series. And so today we're going to talk about osmotic blisters. These are blisters that occur when the water passes through the gel coat. And over time, pressure builds up with the breakdown of the glues, and the result is blisters that actually can pop and create sharp edges on the slide. How do we diagnose this? Blisters are actually you're going to find these where the slide part is immersed in the water. And so this is typically where we find them. Maybe the last panel that's immersed in the water all the time, or a runout pan that's immersed in the water all the time. We need to inspect the slide daily and look for these things. And if we find them, we especially want to make sure that they're not popped open or broken. And if we have to address them, the repair process is the same as chips, voids, and gouges. We want to grind the repair out, making sure to leave a 30-degree taper, and that taper gives us more surface area for the repair filler to bond to. Then we want to clean it out, because when you pop it open, there'll be some liquid in there. If you smell it, it'll smell a little bit like vinegar, and that's the breakdown of the glues. And then we want to apply the 3M premium vinyl ester filler. Again, the mix ratio here is 1.5 inches ribbon of the cream hardener to about the golf ball size of filler. And we want to mix that thoroughly, and you'll be able to know it's mixed thoroughly because the contrasting colors of the cream hardener and the filler. And then after we apply it, after it hardens, we want to sand it smooth using 80 grit sandpaper. Occasionally you'll come across a slide that's riddled with blisters. This is part of the basic repair series. I'm not suggesting that you go through the whole slide grinding those out. That's a different repair process. Your slide probably needs some more attention and a refurbishment. But when you have a few blisters, we recommend using the process that I just laid out. This has been SafeSlide University. Thanks for joining us, and hopefully you've got some from this talk on osmotic blisters. Thanks again for joining us at SafeSlide University. We're passionate here about developing repair processes and best practices for the industry. If you have any comments or questions, or even a suggestion for a future video, reach out to us. We love to collaborate, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Thanks again for joining us here at SafeSlide University.